Guys, where is the lace? I can't see the lace in this hair. Look at this melted lace. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Lace so melts like butter. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? Butter. Butter. This is so melted, guys. Like, I can barely see the lace. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Hello guys, Bola here. Welcome back to the channel. Is everyone doing? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I install my knotless braid wig. This is so seamless, guys. Like, the lace melted so well. You can't believe this is a lace wig. This wig is a 360 lace and I love the outcome of it. In this cutout, I'll be showing you how I wash the hair, how I get rid of the odor or the smell to make sure that I get rid of any dirt and the smell that that might be in the hair. Very nice, like this smell. And I haven't put any mousse or anything because like I think that will kick in when the hair starts to losing its perfection, or like when it's becoming old. But the way the girl did it, like, she did a very awesome job, guys. I was the one that chose the color. This is available in different colors, but I get to choose my color. I believe I choose 33. Is it 325 or something? I'm not sure. I just took a screenshot of what the color I wanted and I sent it to her. So if I come across that exact picture or the number, I'm for sure I'll leave it in the description box below. So, and this hair is not sponsored, so if you're interested on how to lay your hand in this exact hair, give me a shout, right? You can leave your comments in the description box below. This hair is from Nigeria and it is single-handedly braided. So this is not machine braids. So these are this was done manually, the hair. So I get to choose the length and I get to choose the color that I want, and because some they can only do some frontal or is it 4x16 kind of thing, but I love mine in this full frontal lace. Okay, enough of my ranting. Without no further ado, let's just jump right into this installation process. Okay,
like everyone else, you got issues. Some and some you don't. Don't blame me for being suspicious.
Today I will only be doing the front installation. If I want to do the back one, I'm gonna need a stylist for sure because I can't see behind my back, so that might be a little bit tough for me to do the 360 glue, but I will only be doing the front.
But I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. All you know is superficial. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing see yourself just like I do, maybe you would know by now I really like you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread. Making me stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Yeah, I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
If you're enjoying this video, definitely give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
But I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really like you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread, like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Yeah, I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. All you know is superficial. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread, like a needle and stitch you.
At first, when this hair came in, this knotless braid wig, I was supposed to wear it to vacation with my girls. If you haven't seen that vlog, make sure I'll leave it in the description box below. I was wearing a black braided wig instead of this one. I didn't get to open it. I just took it to my vacation because I was hoping I was gonna install it. But the smell, guys, like when I tell you the smell, like the smell wasn't pleasant at all. I'm not sure what they put, but I believe it was like a, was it the type of the mousse they use, or pink oil, or some conditioner? I can't tell whatever is it that they use to moisturize the hair. It's like the smell wasn't good at all. I'm not sure. Like the smell was very choky, like it wasn't smelling good at all. It wasn't pleasant at all. Even my girls will not let me wear the hair because the smell was really bad, to be honest. So, and within me, I already figured I wasn't gonna wear it anyways because I need to do a lot of work on it. It was a 360 lace wig, so it might take much of my time to install. Plus, when I went to vacation, I didn't take anything to like wash the hair, like shampoo and all of that, because I had mentioned it in my vacation vlog that I was gonna install this knotless 360 lace wig. So that was why I decided to do a separate video so that you guys would know how I install this wig, because I already raised you guys expectation by mentioning it in my vlog. So that was why I decided to do a separate video about this installation, and so far I am loving it, guys. Like, I love the outcome of this hair. It's not super heavy, and like I said, I'm just gonna wait maybe till tomorrow or next so that everything can be firm, so that I can pack like up bun, like updo hairstyles. So I just install it now. I want my edges to rest. I don't want to start pulling my edges right now, so I'm just gonna let this hair down as is. And if you do enjoy this vlog, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and like with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Good news, guys, we are getting close to 1K subscribers. Yay! Oh, shay. For those of you that haven't followed me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is Bolascotv, just the same as my channel. Nothing's changed, right? So there you can see, so I'm going to continue there on Instagram how I style this hair, different hairstyles. So if you're interested, definitely join the tribe. Okay, it's free. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscription button. Also hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next episode. Bye.